Hey YouTube, I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to show you how I make spicy delicious ackee and saltfish the Jamaican way. See you right back. Hey, it's Tashina, your Jamaican yard gal, on the corner in the kitchen, and today I will be making for you ackee and saltfish the Jamaican way, just for you. So, for everybody out there that don't know how to make Jamaican ackee and saltfish, I'm gonna be showing you how to make Jamaican ackee and saltfish, and I'm gonna have that with some caramel dumpling. Yes. So, I have in my pot my saltfish boiling to get all the salt out, and I put a piece of pepper in there. Look at it, baby. So that's my saltfish with my pepper, and I'm gonna let that boil and get some of the salt out of it. And while it's boiling and getting some of the salt out of it, I am going to prepare all my ingredients to make this. Okay everyone, this is all you need for your ackee and saltfish. So I have some green pepper and red bell pepper, hot pepper, onion, scallion, and that's all you need. And some people use tomato, but I don't have any. Hey everybody, so yeah, I prepare my seasoning for my ackee and my saltfish, and here you go, that's my saltfish. And in this pot I have my dumpling and one corn, and that's boiling. And in this pot, I have some olive oil, and I'm going to put that together for you guys. I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'll turn this on to low, and in this pot, y'all, I'm going to add my seasoning. Okay everybody, that's my seasoning, and I'm going to let that saute for about 3 to 5 minutes or less, I guess. Sauteed and all the flavor comes up, and then I'm gonna add my saltfish, y'all, and then I'm gonna show you how that looks. Get this onion all open up. Yeah, looking all good. Okay everyone, my seasoning is well sauteed and my saltfish ready to put my saltfish in. And there you go. Just put that in. Get that in there. And let that saute now with the saltfish for a minute. And then I'm going to come back and put the ackee in, and I'm going to show you guys. Okay everybody, I'm back, and I'm going to put my ackee in there. And I have more saltfish than ackee. That's the way I like it. And I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper to this. Not too much. Just a little bit. And get it all together. There you go, people. That's about it. That's easy as that. And there you go, ackee and saltfish, Jamaican style. And that's my dinner, guys. I let it simmer for a little bit. The dumpling and the corn over here. Done. And I'm going to turn the stove off and I'm going to plate it and let you guys see it just in a minute. Okay everyone, my spicy delicious ackee and saltfish with corn, sweet corn and dumpling, cornmeal dumpling is done, and I'm going to sit and enjoy this with a glass of sorrel. If you guys want me to show you how I make my spice sorrel, shout me out, let me know. Ew. Okay. Hey guys, so yes, I finished making my dinner, so I'm going to taste test it for you guys, and I want to say thank you for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me, and continue to like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe. And I'm gonna taste this. It's hot though, you know, it's hot. Look at that. Ooh, that looks so good. Tastes so good. Thank you guys for watching.